Okay, we got a call for an exhaust fan on Chinese restaurant. So I got 4 of them up here. They said first one don't work. They said it's the third one. Third one from the front. Oh yeah. Do they have any power shutoffs up here? No. So let me go down and get some gloves too. Alright, so we got some gloves. This is dirty, greasy, nasty crap. Yummy. Oh shit, lost that one. Oh, she's dirty. Oh yeah. Oh boy, she looking special. Whew. Oh, let's see. Give me a meter. Come on, man. Seriously? I don't even want to put my meter down. I don't even want to touch it. No place to get it ground. Bet you any money this fucking motor's toast. Dude, 163 volts. What the hell is going on? I'm gonna get zapped. Oh, this is scary stuff. Come on, give me something. It's so corroded, covered in grease. I do not want to touch any of this. Okay, so I got 208 on one side. I bet you I got 208 on the other, and this motor's toast. Get no fucking readings. God, this thing is scary. Fucking scary. Switch spin. Dude. Nope. I got 211 on the other side. So that motor's toast. That motor is toast. I got voltage on both sides. Holy crap, that's sketchy. Super, super sketchy. So I'm gonna have to let them know they need a new motor. Jeez. Get a new pulley. Three-inch motor pulley. Is that a half-inch shaft? Half-inch shaft. Shaft. Yikes. Really don't work on, I don't want to work on this piece of junk. will send this crap over to the office. I don't know what they're gonna want to do with it, because it's a, I mean, the motor's sitting there on a slant. It's gonna need a new switch. Jeez, oh Pete. Get a new belt. So let me get this hunk of junk back on. Oh geez, what a train wreck. Oh yeah, it's held on there by grease. Gonna put that on there. Where's the other one? Can't tell, you get all this grease on the roof, it blends right in with screws, or vice versa. Find it when I come up here next time. Jeez, and it's raining. Let me get down off the roof. Well, they already have one that doesn't work up front, so he already knew about that. But now this one, I told him it needs a motor and kind of condition that thing's in, because he doesn't have the grease cleaned out of it. And it's obviously got some age to it. And I don't think he wants to stick the money into that fan, so he's thinking about replacing it. So we got to get him a cost on replacement and cost on repair. I don't know, he's got to weigh his options, see what he wants to do, and then we'll go from there. But that was kind of simple, you know. You got voltage on one side, voltage on the other, going to the motor. Obviously, yeah, that's a bad motor. The motor didn't feel warm or anything, but I think it just popped the windings, and it's just nothing's going on in there, let's put it that way. So I will see you on the next one. Like and subscribe, guys. Thank you. See ya.